Abdullah Ibn-e-Masood radiyallahu ta'ala anhu lived until the time of Khalifa Sayyiduna Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. When he was sick and about to depart from the world, Sayyiduna Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu came to visit him and said, "What troubles you? Why are you so restless?" He said, my sins are troubling me. "And what do you desire?" Sayyiduna Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked him. He said, "I desire the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I desire the rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala." He is on his deathbed, he is about to depart, and he says, "I desire the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala." Sayyidina Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked him, "Shall I not give you your stipend which you have refused for all these years?" Sayyidina Ibn-e-Masood radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said that I am in no need of it. Sayyidina Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Let your daughters use them." Sayyidina Ibn-e-Masood radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Do you fear poverty for my children? You think my children will get poor? My children will be destitute? I have commanded them to read the chapter of Surah Al-Waqi'ah every night. I have given them the nasihat. I have given them this order that they should recite Surah Al-Waqi'ah every night." I heard this from the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Whoever reads Surah Al-Waqi'ah every night shall not ever be destitute, shall not ever see poverty. And they practically proved it. You know, we also know these things. We also understand these things. We have heard this fazilat so many times. But the problem is we do not implement it in our lives. The Sahaba-i-Kiram practically acted upon it. They had full trust in it. At the time he is departing from the world, he did not fear what will happen with his children. He did not fear that the children will be poor, the family will be poor. Sayyidina Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu offered him money. He offered him a stipend, but he refused. He said, "Ya Sayyidi, I'm not in need of any of these things. What I'm in need of is the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm scared of my sins. As far as my family is concerned, Surah Al-Waqi'ah is enough for them. I have commanded them to recite Surah Al-Waqi'ah." Now this is a nasihat for us as well. That let's be worried for our akhirah. Inshallah, our dunya will become amazing itself. Let's fear about our qabr. Inshallah ta'ala, our dunya will become very good. Inshallah, if we start thinking of pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah ta'ala will make it such that we will be pleased with our dunya. So let's try and strive in this path. The Holy Quran is such a beautiful message which Abdullah Ibn-e-Masood radiyallahu ta'ala anhu has given us, that do not leave the Holy Quran. Do not leave the teachings of the Holy Quran. You want barakah, Quran will give you barakah. You want shifa, Quran will give you shifa. You want success in this world and in the hereafter, Quran will grant you success in this world and in the hereafter. The second beautiful thing which Abdullah Ibn-e-Masood radiyallahu ta'ala anhu teaches us practically from this story is to constantly think about the sins. We often remember whatever good deeds we do.